Alright, so you want to become a web developer? Awesome choice. Whether you're looking to build your first website or aiming for your first developer job, I've got you covered. Let's break down the complete journey, step by step, so you know exactly where to start and what's ahead. First, you need to understand the basics of how the web actually works. When you type a website address into your browser, your computer talks to another computer, called a server, that sends back the web page. Simple, right? All we're really doing is telling computers what to show and how to behave. Now let's talk about the core building blocks: HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Think of HTML as the skeleton of your site. It defines structure. CSS, that's your site's clothes and style. And JavaScript, that's the brain, adding interactivity and making things actually happen. Start with HTML. Get comfortable writing basic pages, headings, paragraphs, links, images. Next, sprinkle in some CSS to make things look great. Once you're confident, dive into JavaScript and make your pages come alive. But wait, there's more. Once you've mastered the basics, you'll want to learn about responsive design. That's just a fancy way of saying your site looks good on phones, tablets, and computers. Tools like Flexbox and Grid in CSS make this much easier. So, where do you write all this code? You'll need a code editor. Popular choices are VS Code or Sublime Text. And don't forget about Git and GitHub. These help you track your changes and share your work with the world. Ready for the next level? Time to pick up some frameworks. For the front end, you might hear a lot about React, Vue, or Angular. Don't rush, pick one and take your time to learn how it helps you build bigger, better projects. And don't forget the back end. This is where your site stores data and does the heavy lifting. You'll find languages like Node.js, Python, or PHP here, and databases like MongoDB or MySQL. Start simple. Try to build a basic contact form that saves messages. Finally, bring it all together. Build real projects. A portfolio site, a blog, maybe even a simple online store. Each project teaches you something new and gives you something to show future employers or clients. Web development is a marathon, not a sprint. Don't compare yourself to others. Focus on learning, building, and having fun. If you stick with it, you'll be amazed at where you end up. Now get out there and start coding.